Like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe.
Hello everyone, drum tech, drummer, and YouTube educator Kenny Sherrod's coming to you from Horn Lizard Studios, where I'm checking out a bunch of different products today and doing some studio work here and making some videos. And one of the products I'm checking out is a drum carpet from Aucuda Percussion. Now I've been checking out for new drum carpets for a little while, so when I saw this 6x6 square, I was like, this just might be the perfect solution. So let's check out some of the capacity of this rug. All right, so let's check out some of the most fundamental parts of this Aucuda rug to make sure it fits my needs. Now, one of the things I actually do like about it, the light rubber backing. Now, a lot of carpets I used to get from Walmart and stuff, this rubber backing begins to shred and gets all over your car and doesn't always hold on the smoothest of floors like this lovely smooth wood floor at Horn Lizard Studios. However, this carpet is held like a mad dog. Another thing I like about it has a little bit of stretch, but not too much stretch. So the bass drum spurs dig in well and hold tight. The kit doesn't scoot at all. And if you look, after hours of playing on this kit, there's no tear in the carpet, but a nice little spot for your spike that allows it to lock in the carpet and hold tight. And then one other thing I like about this short tight pile is that it's not so thick that it kills a lot of sound. It has nice sound reinforcement, like kind of absorbs some of the sound of the kit without absorbing too much. So you get the bright end cut off, the bright end of your snares, maybe it's just a hair bit cut off, but they don't get killed or muffled. You still get a rich snare sound with this carpet. And then one of the reasons I like the pile that's light and tight is because it's easy to fold, easy to carry, and keeps the carpet light. All right, so all in all, man, this carpet I've took out on a few gigs before I brought it in the studio with y'all to check it out. And it's performed pretty darn well, man. For the gigging drummer, man, I hope it fits for you. I folded it up several times. It seems to fluff back up. So we're going to play some more gigs with it and see how it does. But until then, I am liking this little drum carpet from Aucuda. Let's drum on it some more.